feeling truly confident in your body, even if you're someone who's experienced trauma, or you're coming out of a toxic relationship, or you have some sort of challenge, this is for you. My name is Joss of Wild Womb, and I help women feel confident in their bodies. I help them take their healing journeys in a way that's trauma-informed and gentle. So no matter who you are, whatever body type you are, whatever age, if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I want to feel more confident in my body, I want to feel aligned and connected, but I've been through this challenge, or I just don't see that it's possible, stay here. Straight up, I've experienced trauma, I've experienced sexual assault, I've been in abusive relationships. So the journey to me feeling confident in my body was totally different than what it might be for the next woman. Your experience is totally unique. I don't want to compare or, put us all together that we all go on the same journey. We don't. But here's what I discovered when I really wanted to feel more confident. I was trying to jump into feeling confident without doing my healing journey. And maybe you've done that as well. We all do it. So you buy the clothes, you read the books, you go to the course or, the one-time workshop, and you go, I should feel better. And then when you don't, it's like really disappointing. So here's the step that I see for all women to take. It's something called shadow work, and I really truly believe in it so much. So what shadow work is basically just really taking a look in the mirror and noticing what are the non-serving thoughts and belief systems that you're holding on to, because you can't take that to where you're going. I see a lot of people wanting to step into this new version of themselves, but they're still holding on to the non-serving stuff, and it doesn't go together. You've got to let that go before you can tap into all the abundance and confidence within you. So you can think of it as you're just making space. So shadow work, it's not like very widely available, or if you do see it, it's often done in quite an aggressive way. So the way that I've explored it is very trauma-informed and gentle. So especially if you're someone who's been through any sort of trauma, any sort of assault, you want to be in an environment where you're kind of reconnecting to your body, you're kind of looking at your thought patterns. You want to be doing that in a way that's super, super gentle. Because if you abruptly push yourself into a new zone when you're not ready, you're going to retreat and just go back into yourself even more. That's what I want to share with you. If you're really, really ready to feel more confident, to feel more connected to your body, you absolutely can trust that it takes shadow work first, that releasing process, so you can have the space to step into confidence, to step into your feminine energy, your creativity, your sensuality, and your pleasure. So, how do I do shadow work? There's lots of wonderful exercises. There's lots of wonderful journaling activities and embodiment practices that you can do. I would never do shadow work alone. So the only thing I'll say is I do shadow work every year. It's not like a one-time thing. You do it often, many times a year if you like, but don't do it alone. You should never do any of this stuff alone. Community is a huge part of the healing process. Okay, so comment below, let me know what you think about that. If something comes up for you, like, I really need to let go of that thought pattern, that belief, that painful story, I'm ready to release that. Just know that there's many ways you can do that are creative and gentle and soft and nurturing. It doesn't have to feel aggressive. Thank you so much.